You don't have to spend a lot of money to build homestead structures. We built many structures on a budget at Large Family Homestead. Just take a look at what our 14-year-old came up with for his quail business. First, we took 12 pallets, attached them together with 2x4s. We got a lot of free pallets from different places, and the most we paid for a pallet was around $2. Next, we got out our cinder blocks for our piers. We had 16 cinder blocks. We paid about $2 a piece for these. We bought 10 and had 6 laying around. Once we got our pallets up on our cinder blocks, we attached 1/2-inch OSB board for the flooring. The OSB was about $19 a sheet for a 4x8 sheet, so we paid about $115 for those. Then we started attaching our pallets to the foundation. And depending on the pallet and how strong it was and how good it was put together, we did slide some 2x4s in between the pallets and some other pieces of wood, whatever we needed to do to reinforce the pallets and to tie them all together. So you'll have to use your judgment if you do a build like this on how to tie them together, but mostly we use just 2x4s. We then put our second level on. Then as we got the pallets up the second level, we tied in our roof rafters right away to kind of strengthen and stabilize the walls. Okay, so here it is with both levels of pallets. It's 2 levels of pallets and most of the roof rafters, and we put 2 more roof rafters on the ends. Flooring's all done, getting ready to put the roof on. We have some old metal barn tin to put on that we paid a little over $100 for the whole roof. So here's the roof. So here's the inside of the roof. Those purlins going across the roof rafters were all cut from used pallets, so we didn't spend any more money on those. We just used them off of scrap pallets, and we just patched the holes there you can see in the roof with sealer, which I think was about $10. We cut holes in the pallets, 3 holes, put hardware cloth over them. Now Joshua built this door setup here. It's a 2-door setup. That first section there, he built all by himself, framed it all out, hardware cloth the whole thing, so you can actually stand in between the 2 doors and look at your quail. It's really cool. And then he hardware clothed the whole top all the way around. Joshua used 2 rolls of garden netting here for fruit trees, about $19 for those, $18, $19 for those.
Guards! There's a red bird in these walls.
Here's the inside completely done. He put a coating of blackjack on the floor to rubberize roof coating, great for chicken coops. That was about $60 for that. We are just so proud of Joshua. He really, from after the pallets were up, he really built the rest of it himself. He framed out the door. He did the roof himself. So for under $500, we have a really great build. And here's the builder himself, who also built those garden beds y'all liked.